another little life in honor of the beautiful birds. For me, birds make life so much more precious. I am surrounded all day long, all night long by them. Wherever I am, there are birds. Even in shopping centers, there are some pigeons walking around, and I cannot imagine no birds around me. I cherish them deeply. I wake up to their song. My ears, my body is filled with bird song. I get tuned. My vessel, my earth suit, my body gets tuned by birds, and I celebrate them. I dance with them, I fly with them, I see them, continuously, and I cherish them deeply. Today they're having such a feast here. Almost every seagull I've seen has a little fish in its mouth, and they're having a big fishing here. Have a look at that, it's full, and they are flying and diving in, and they are in utter joy. Beautiful, beautiful. The winds are strong, and it is a deep, deep joy. The crows are here. There's also the spring energy in the air. Lots of trees have started blossoming, and different parrots were flying by. It is very, very magical here today. Every day, living with birds is a deepest joy. They remind me of the free spirit I am. What do they remind you of? How do you live with birds? Are they very present in your life? Are you listening to them? Are you watching them? Are you celebrating them? Are you relating with them? Love to hear. And looking up today, so many were flying over me. Flocks of ibis and big falcons and eagles, and so to the birds, may they be blessed and healthy and thriving, and keeping showing us how to be in community, how to share, like they are doing there. They're fishing together, they're sharing. This is the operating as a mycelium network. This is a creating together. I am all for that. Glorious day, being like water, crystalline liquid water, as within, so without, oxygenizing our body, illuminating. In a luminous, oxygenized body, dis-ease cannot stay present.